Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the gold chart on 23rd of March 2023. Then I'm going to show you some positions that you can make on it and see what's going to happen next. Then I'm going to show you the yesterday's positions I made and see what happened there. But before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start now. As you can see, we had this level broken to the upside and the prices started going up, but in my previous analysis I told you that we had this support area here which was broken. Okay, it was a resistance which was broken and the price started going up here. Okay, and in the 1 hour time frame the price was making a pin bar here. Okay, but it is not a pin bar because, you know, let me zoom in. First I think it wasn't this one, okay, and it was this one, and it was making a pin bar, okay, but it didn't make the candle we wanted here. If it was going to make the candle we wanted, like a pin bar, like if I can find one and show you, like this one, this red candle here, okay, on this support area here, we had the opportunity to go for a buy position and take a buy position, but the candle didn't close like that, and instead it made a candle like this one, a big red candle, which is showing a strong selling. Yeah, it was like that, and we didn't have the chance to go for a buy position because we didn't see the candle we wanted on this support line. And right now the price is just, you know, playing in this area here, and lower time frames like 15 minutes. We don't have anything special. We should wait for the price to make some patterns, and you know that we can draw some trend lines and enter sell and buy positions based on those trend lines. But right now we can imagine some sort of trend lines like this one and also this one here, which is a shadow. We have a shadow here, not a body out of this, so we extend the trend line. A breakout of each of these trend lines can be a buy position to the upside, and this one can be a sell position to the downside. And we should wait for the price to break these levels, these trend lines, sorry. Okay, let's switch the part which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday and see what happened there. Welcome back. As you can see, here we are on the gold chart, 5-minute time frame, 22nd of March 2023. Then I'm gonna show you the positions I made on this date. As you can see, we had this trend line with 3 touches, 1, 2, 3 touches, and the first time it was broken here, we had the chance to go for a buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle, or even here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3 here. On the second position, we did have this support area where the price was falling this much and touched an invisible level and started going up. Okay, so this is a support line. We draw a support line like this, and as you can see, the price reacts to that level in the future and makes a shadow on it. Okay, after that we see a green candle like this one. We can see this as a nice candle if we combine these two candles with each other. Okay, we can make a pin bar for us. Okay, and we can go for a buy position here, put our stop loss below this candle, and it gave us something around 2.6 here, which is something around 78 pips, if you can see up there, 78 pips. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. On the first time it was broken here, we had the chance to go for a sell position here, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something around RR4 here. On the last position, let me clean it that we can see better. We did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3 touches. Actually it was like this, it was like this with 4 touches. When we see that shadow out of this trend line, we extend it, and it is broken here. We can go for a buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something around RR7 here. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you and bye bye.